it's Misty here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. It's day 3 of the release previews. And in today's video, we have probably the most famous, most recognizable, most favorite dwarf of all time, and that's Dopey. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you your Dope, our cute little character stamp. I'm also going to share with you the whole entire release. We're going to go through all of the design team samples. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to join the Facebook group, follow us on Instagram. All of the information is listed down below. And as I've said, and we'll probably say again, if you want all, part, or some of this release, be sure to sign up for a stamp club. So yeah, anyway, let's head over to the craft table and I'll walk you through all of what's available. Friends, it's day 3 of the November release previews. We've got Dopey, You're Dope. So he has Have a Happy Birthday, You're Dope, and Here's to Happily Ever After. And isn't he not the cutest little thing you've ever seen in his life? I love the 3 little hairs, and if you look at the dye it cuts around those, how stinking cute is he? Love it, love it, love it. And of course this is our new packaging, so you could store them together, but I like to slip mine behind. And now I store my older stamp sets in a CD holder, like a DVD CD holder, and then my newer ones go into a basket so I can reach to them more often. But yeah, so that's it. Let's go over the entire release. We have the Forest stencil. We have the little princess word die. We have the cottage builder die. We've got snow, because we have to have snow. You can't have Snow White without snow, I'm just saying. We've got snow, we've got Charming, Prince Charming, and then we have Dopey Dope Dope Dope. So yeah, so this release is live. You can find all of the links in the description box down below. Sign up for Stamp Club, sign up for Stencil Club, join the Facebook group, subscribe to this channel, leave us a comment, let me know what you think of this release. And yeah, but that's it. We appreciate you so very much. We hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.